Tax refund season is here, and you're probably wondering, what should I do with all this money this year? I could buy new shoes, a big screen TV, or should I get a new car I've been thinking about? What if I told you there was a better way to spend your refund and eventually make money off of your purchase? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Hey guys, I'm Jason Husted, and I'm a local real estate agent in Charleston, South Carolina. This channel is dedicated to help give you a better understanding of the Charleston lifestyle by showing you what to eat, see and do, and the best places to live in this beautiful area. Now let's get to it. Thank you for watching our video today. I'm Jason Husted. I work as a local real estate agent in Charleston, South Carolina. If you like what you see today, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. That will let us know to keep on making videos like this and help promote us on others searching for the Charleston area. If you're interested in purchasing or selling, please visit my website by clicking on the link down below. And you will have access to many communities as well as different properties within. I want to start off our video today by bringing in an experienced lender that our team personally works with. PJ from Team C at AP Mortgage is going to go over what a tax refund is and some of the creative options you can come up with to make sure you secure a down payment on a home. Welcome, PJ.
Hello friends, this is PJ Crescenzo with Team Crescenzo, and today we are doing a video in partnership with the Husted team, an incredible real estate resource over with Jeff Cook Real Estate, led by Jason Husted and all of his incredible team members. And the topic at hand is two things. One, we want to talk about creative down payment options. And number two, we want to talk about this time of year and one of the greatest opportunities that W-2 employees have, not only to come up with sources for down payment, but also to acquire real estate. And that's going to be this option over here, which is tax refund, right? So it's a three-letter word that sometimes we feel some type of way about, right? Because it's this money we have to pay to Uncle Sam no matter what. But right around this time of year in the spring, not only is the weather incredible, and not only is it a great time to go out and look at properties and look at homes, but it's also a time of year where we check our bank account, and sometimes it's actually a good surprise, and not a bad surprise, right? Surprises, we like good ones. And it's our tax refund. It's a reimbursement from the federal government on wages and taxes that we paid all of the previous calendar year. So in the days and weeks ahead, W-2 employees are going to be receiving this tax refund, and what we wanted to do is break apart what acquiring different properties look like, what the minimum investment, which we refer to in the mortgage world, is the minimum out-of-pocket funds you would have to bring to acquire those homes, and just break apart what that looks like. So for today's example, we're going to use an FHA loan as kind of our test case. So there are 100% financing options out there, and some scenarios your down payment could be zero. In a perfect scenario, you could acquire a property with no money out of pocket. But today we want to talk about a program we feel really confident about, a program that just lowered its private mortgage insurance for all clients, a program that's very flexible on guidelines for first-time home buyers. And one of the requirements to qualify for this program is a 3.5% down payment, right? That's the minimum funds that you need to bring to acquire that property. So if we take a look at a $200,000 home, the minimum you have to bring in order to acquire that property is $7,000, right? So we've helped 3 clients in the last 30 days where they came to us and said, listen, I know this is the program for me. What options do I have to come up with this number? Because right now I don't have all of that in savings. Well, here's what's incredible about how we can respond to that question. You don't have to have all the money today. That's the real answer, right? When you set your intention and you set your goal and you figure out your why, we can figure out the how later. So here's just a couple of strategies that we help this client with, which is, listen, what do we have in savings today? What's that tax refund gonna be? Because it was just filed, right? TurboTax, and they're not lying about the turbo, it's fast. We got the tax refund, and then this last one, which is a magic thing, and it's called gift from family. So we were able to help with 3 different options to get to what we need to meet that minimum investment, from a gift, from a tax refund, from savings, and we were able to meet the requirement. And now, with meeting this requirement, you now own a $200,000 asset. That's the incredible thing about the mortgage lending world and about the world of real estate, is how this leverage works. I put up $7,000 and I get a $200,000 asset in exchange. Now, what's really cool about Charleston real estate is that $200,000 home, 1, 2, 3 years from now, it's gonna be probably worth more than what you bought it for. And that's where you start to unlock these doors of building wealth, right? So we look at a $200,000 home, $7,000 down payment, $300,000 home, $10,500 down payment, $400,000 home, $14,000. So you can just get an idea of what the different amounts are needed to acquire these properties. I'm gonna grab a calculator real quick. This is an on-the-fly example, but I just want to run some numbers. So I was just reading an article, and talk to your real estate agent, talk to the person advising you on the home buying side, the property side, about what their perspective is on appreciation for the houses you're looking at. But appreciation is, if I'm going to buy something today, it's going to be worth more in the future, right? It's going to appreciate in value. So I was reading an article about Charleston real estate, about 6% being a very safe number on the home values appreciation. I think some years it's over 20%, but I want to give you a safe number for this video, right? So if I'm looking at a $300,000 house, there's a safe chance that it appreciates 6%. That's $18,000 a year. The value of my home is going to increase. So if you're talking about going from renting to owning, not only are you going to start to pay yourself instead of a landlord, right? Pay down the balance you owe on this property. The property is going to be worth more. So you take that $300,000 home, you put up $10,500 to acquire it, minimum investment. We get creative on negotiating with the seller to cover some of the closing costs. So you just focus on this minimum number you need to bring. Now this $300,000 house 3 years from now is worth an extra $54,000. Not only do we think on our feet, we catch on our feet. Work with a lender you can trust that can think quickly and problem solve. So calculator still in the hands. So $300,000 home worth an extra $54,000. So think about this. Once you commit to this home buying process, if we can get these funds in the bank and we meet all the requirements we need, and we'll be more hands-on and more creative than anybody to come up with the solutions for you. Look at what these houses are going to be worth a couple years down the road, and then you really start opening up options for yourself and your family. So again, tax refund season is on the way. Funds are going to be coming to you. They're going to be hitting your bank account. It's our job to give you the options and the awareness of what you can do with those funds to start unlocking your path of home ownership and creating additional options and opportunities for yourself and your family. So this is just a quick breakdown on some different ways down payment works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Team C at apmortgage.com. We're here to be a resource. We hope you have a blessed day, and let's go.
Thanks, PJ, for that amazing information and clarifying what type of home you can get with certain down payments. As you can see, you don't need much to own a home, and when you have a great agent, they can get creative with your offer and really help you save money. Thanks again for watching our video today. If you have any questions about deciding what to do with your tax refund and where to start, the Houston team is just a phone call away. Feel free to reach out to my team and I at 843-925-7600. Our team of real estate professionals is motivated to help you find your Charleston lifestyle. Don't forget that we have tons of recent videos regarding each neighborhood individually. If you'd like to see what else is available in the area, please click on the link down below to our website and make sure you subscribe to see the most recent listings in the area. Thanks for watching our video today. We look forward to welcoming you to your new Charleston lifestyle.